Hi, this is Kelly Ackley with Keller Williams. Today, I'm out here at 14 Baywood Drive in Palm Harbor, Florida. I've got to show you this house. If you are looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, completely remodeled top to bottom, roof all the way down, optional HOA here in Palm Harbor, yet it is a waterfront community. You've got a private neighborhood boat ramp right across the street. I'm telling you, you've got to see this house. Come on in. 14 Baywood Drive. This house was built in 1985, although it has been completely updated since then. We're talking new roof, new windows, new AC, new hot water heater, new electric panel, brand new kitchen, brand new bathrooms. I mean, we have it here. This is what we've got going on. You've got this beautiful open kitchen area that is right off the living room. Key lime martinis are made here every night. This is the happy hour spot. And then you've got the court's huge piece, this island, right? Places to prep, places to hang out. You've got stainless steel appliances. You've got a stainless steel farm sink. You've got a Lazy Susan that's going to keep your cabinets nice and organized. Tons of extra storage over here in a pantry. We've got this palatially high-ceilinged living room for you, right off the kitchen, wood-burning fireplace, built-in shelving. This is, again, a gathering spot for the home. Floor is natural wood floor, and you've got plantation shutters all around. Leading up this staircase, we've got the master suite. Not just the master bedroom, but the master suite. The only living space on this very top floor is your master suite. You've got the open area with high ceilings here, and then we've got this beautiful bathroom that was just completely redone. Not only do we have beautiful things inside, right? We have some amazing features outside. This stairway was just built, custom built to get you down to the bottom level. So we've got a double layer, 2-level screened enclosure over the pool. You've got the pool and the spa downstairs. You've got sliding glass doors from the living room that lead out to this lanai. Come enjoy your coffee in the morning. Maybe have a glass of wine out here at night with some candles and lights. Watch the kids play in the pool, or if you're like my family, maybe just let the dogs play in the pool. So as I was telling you, 2,276 square feet, heated area in this home, but there are nuggets, and I wanted you to see this downstairs. If you're familiar with Florida real estate, you know that if a bottom floor sits in a flood zone, it is not able to be included in the heated square feet. So you've got probably an extra 1,500 square feet down here. Unbelievable extra space. So, I told you the house was bigger than it really seems like. This is Kelly Ackley with Keller Williams, and I want to thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. Take a second, share it, send it to someone that you might know. These sellers have amazing retirement plans, and I would love to help them get started on those retirement plans. So if you know anybody interested, shoot me a text, call me for more information. My phone number is 727-515-6504. You can find me on all the social platforms, Kelly Ackley Realtor, and you can also reach out to me via email or on my website, kellyackleyrealtor.com. So there's a million ways to get me. Just get me. Let me know if you know someone or you yourself are interested in this house. 14 Baywood Drive, Palm Harbor, Florida, in the absolute beautiful waterfront community of Baywood Village.